What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to be going over Dogecoin today and get real technical here because we had a little bit of a flash crash inside the whole crypto market. Not just Dogecoin, everything's actually been going down today. So we're going to go over all of that and why this is happening. So yeah, please hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And on top of all that, check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. You can take those free stocks and put them straight into Dogecoin if you want, but you'll have to wait for them to settle. And also, when you sign up for Webull, you have to deposit $100 to get that free stock on your initial deposit. So definitely do that when you sign up and use the link, and you will get those free stocks. So let's get straight to this technical analysis with Dogecoin. So as you can see, Dogecoin here, we broke out of this trend line. We're actually on a little bit of an uptrend here on a little positive trend line, and then we broke out of it. And now, boom, we went way below that channel here of 22 cents, which is now putting us in bearish territory, which is now going to end up sending us closer and closer to our previous support of 18 cents, and then eventually to our previous support of 16 cents if we can't rebound from this. So yeah, if we don't rebound from this, that's what's going to happen. And right now, looking at the trading volume and looking at how things are going, most likely it's going to continue to go down a little bit more, because that's just how the whole crypto market's going. It's not just Dogecoin, it's really the whole crypto market. You can see like how everything's moving right now, and we don't have much buying going on right now. So we're seeing that selling is about to start taking over again, and that is going to be another downtrend for Dogecoin as well as everything else in crypto. So as you can see, Dogecoin down 11.12% in the last 24 hours, and then we're down 9.32% inside the last 7 days. And over here, we got Bitcoin kind of doing the same thing, down 7.95% in the last 24 hours. That's a big drop for Bitcoin. I mean, Ethereum is going down huge. Cardano, usually when one thing in crypto goes down, everything goes down. So rule of thumb is just to follow Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, Dogecoin inevitably will do. And the same thing with everything else in the crypto market. Now, you do always have those unicorns in the crypto market that, just grows no matter what. But right now, you're not seeing those unicorns in the last 24 hours. Like, nothing is really up in the last 24 hours. You see OMG Network up 3.42%, but they still had their huge drop, because remember, OMG Network was actually doing fairly well for the last 7 days, but you still see that huge drop for them because everything's going down. No matter how good they've been doing in the last 7 days, everything in crypto is going down right now. It's another flash crash. So I don't know. We may be actually inside of another, bullish or bearish market. I mean, not bullish, but yeah, hopefully it's not. But that's what it's looking like. Now, we dropped a lot of money out of Dogecoin. We had $31 billion in Dogecoin. Now we only have $27.9 billion. That's a lot of money that was lost. About $3 billion, give or take, was lost out of Dogecoin within a day. So that shows you how big this is right now, how big of a crash this is. I mean, it's another crash, and hopefully we don't have another one, but that's what it's kind of looking like right now. But anyways, let's keep going over this technical analysis with Doge, because we have a lot going on here. So let's bring back this line so we can see it perfectly. All right, so the next thing we really want to look at is the actual technical analysis. So I'm going to go over the technical analysis from multiple people's perspective. You've already got my perspective here, and I do believe we're going to go down to 18 cents from here, but we're going to go over everything else. So show what they're showing and what they believe will do. So Dogecoin price reaches key support, suggesting a 40% rebound for Doge. That's a really huge drop right there. Anyways, Dogecoin price is currently hovering above the 21.3 support barrier. A retest of 19.3 is plausible before Doge sparks an ascent to 26.8. So a decisive close below 17.9 will invalidate the bullish thesis. So they said we can be bullish if we retest 19 cents and then build up some momentum from there. So if we go like right before we hit 18 cents, we end up hitting 19 cents before that and not going all the way down to 18, then we'll retest 26 cents, they're saying, and actually have a bull run going up there. And the reason why stuff like that happens is momentum. When whales see that crypto is dropping huge, they tend to put a lot of money in when it drops. So that actually builds momentum up and it actually helps it become bullish and then eventually reaching 26 cents. So that's one of the possible options there. But they're saying if we close below 17.9, which is technically 18 cents, will invalidate the bullish thesis. So that's why I said 18 cents as a huge area of support here. 17.9, that is the actual area, but I just say 18 cents to make it more simpler. But anyways, yeah, that is definitely something that's going to be coming here in the future if we cannot stay above 19 cents and eventually rise to 26 cents. Now, Dogecoin price has been lacking volatility for the past 11 days, but the recent sell-off seems to have reintroduced it, leading to a breakdown of the immediate support floor. While a bounce from the current position is likely, investors should be wary of another downswing. So Dogecoin price waits for buyers to come back. Dogecoin price has been on a downward sloping consolidation since September 8th, but broke out of the downwards as the downside as of September 20th, slicing through the 23-cent support. So they said since September 8th, we've been going on the downtrend, which is true. Right here around September 8th, we had that little flash crash. Boom, everything just went all the way down. Huge. It went all the way from 32 cents all the way down to about 23 cents. And we've been going down since then. So that's what's been going on inside of Doge. Now, currently, Doge is hovering above the 21.3 barrier for the support, and it's showing signs of recovery. So they're saying that we may actually recover from this, and that's why they're saying we can possibly hit 26 cents. But remember, if we do not recover from this, we're going to go down to 18 cents. So if Bitcoin shows strength, Doge may kickstart a new uptrend from this platform. So if Bitcoin shows strength, that's why I said Bitcoin is one of the number one things you want to watch right now. If Bitcoin doesn't recover, then inevitably nothing else will recover in the crypto market and will continue to drop a little bit more for everything else. So yeah, Bitcoin is starting to recover some. So we may actually go on an uptrend from here. It's quite possible. So over here, you can see in case of a no-go, and actually let me back out of here because I just now clicked that. So yeah, in case of a no-go, market participants can expect the meme themed cryptocurrencies to slice through 21.3 and make its way towards 19.3 in some cases. The market makers might briefly dip below this floor. So to collect liquidity, signaling the possible start of a new uptrend. So if we go below 19.3, they're saying that's what's going to start the uptrend because then people are going to see the opportunity and people will continue to put their money back in. So that could happen possibly. Now, the resulting uptrend is likely to smash through the incoming resistance barriers and make a run to 26.8 ceiling. This climb would represent a 40% ascent. So, regardless of the support floors, if Bitcoin fails to muster the strength and face the bulls, Dogecoin price will continue to remain weak, especially if Dogecoin breaks below the 19.3 support. So such a move might push Dogecoin below 17 cents and then eventually retesting 15.8, which is pretty much 16 cents. So 18 cents and then 16 cents are our two major supports if we cannot hold above 19 cents. If we can hold above 19 cents, then we will go up by 40% all the way up to 26 cents, and then we'll meet that new resistance up there. So that's what's going on in Dogecoin. Hopefully we can actually break out of this and actually end up doing well here with Dogecoin. So now the next point of view that we can look at, Dogecoin eyes down to 13 cents level. This is the next point of view that they're looking at here with FX Street. And usually they're pretty right with everything that they do. So shout out to them because they do some good technical analysis. In the previous technical analysis, they said, look, Dogecoin actually has some potential to go up by 40%. But if we cannot hold in, the 19 cents support, or if Bitcoin cannot hold, then we will inevitably drop down to 18. And anyways, crypto market is sharply down after we notice an intraday corrective rally in B/I. So be aware of more downside pressure now, especially because of the market sell-off. However, we are still tracking wave C and I for now, but it still has to be finished by a 5-way cycle of the lower degree. These are technical indicators that they're talking about, so you can see what they're talking about here. And Dogecoin is actually heading straight towards the I. So that is where we're heading towards. And that's why I go over to FX Street. They have the technicals on point, literally. So as per Elliott wave analysis, Doge USD is still pointing lower as mentioned and highlighted a long time ago, especially now when the whole crypto market is looking for more weakness. So we are still tracking that wave C for Y down to the first 13-cent support level, if not even down to 0.05x. So anyways, 13-cent support. Now, only way 13-cent support is going to happen is if Bitcoin continues to drop and everything continues to flash crash. So I would say if Bitcoin goes below 40,000 and heads towards 35K, then 13 cents will happen. 5 cents, if Bitcoin goes below 30K down to 25K, then 5 cents will happen. So that is my forecast there. And that's pretty much theirs as well. So hopefully Bitcoin doesn't continue to drop. But if Bitcoin goes below, $30,000, expect to see 5 cents if we hit 25K in Bitcoin. That's just facts. But that's a huge buying opportunity. Think about it. Now with 5 cents, think about it. You divide $1,000 by 5 cents, and that's 20,000 Dogecoins. So you will have a huge buying opportunity if you have $1,000. If you have $10,000, you will have an even bigger buying opportunity because then you'll be able to get 200,000 Dogecoins at $10,000. Then at $1, that's going to be 200K. So this is a huge buying opportunity. That's why I don't really care about everything dropping in the crypto market. I'm looking at it like, it's not that bad. But anyways, these are always buying opportunities whenever we have these crashes. Now, you never know when the dip is completely going to stop, so don't just buy the dip all at once. You have $1,000, put about 100 in now, wait and see if it dips again, put another 100 in, and if it keeps dipping, keep putting 100 in, and then eventually you'll have your full 1,000 in. So you never want to go in all at once. But anyways, yeah, everything's falling. As you can see, Bitcoin falls sharply after sudden spike of volatility. Everything's pretty much going down. Bitcoin's market capitalization fell to 855 billion and the 24-hour trading volume stood at 849 million. So there's a lot of money falling out of the market right now. So the market capitalization fell $371 billion in 24 hours. That's huge. That is huge right there. So much money just now dropped out the market. 3 billion of that being of Dogecoin. So this is really big right now. This is definitely a lot of money is being lost. So we got to be careful here when we're dealing with these cryptos because everyone's selling out. And, eventually we'll have all the whales coming back in once they get a good enough deal. And honestly, 5 cents for Dogecoin, that's probably the best deal we're going to get right there. So let's hope for the best, though. So yeah, Dogecoin tests support at the 2190, which is pretty much 22 cents, while Bitcoin slips below 45K. So everyone's pretty much got the same technical analysis here, but all in all, I do believe that we could, come back here. They say Dogecoin is currently testing the 21-cent support. In case Dogecoin manages to settle below 2190, it will head towards the next support level, which is located at 2130. So they got a little bit of a less bearish sentiment here. But honestly, I think we're more than likely going to see 18 cents if everything keeps dropping here. So yeah, and they also did another technical analysis where they pretty much said the same thing. So everyone is pretty much on the same page here. First major support being 22 cents, which we've already broken, which is a bad sign. But anyways, on a good note here, Dogecoin mining profitability jumped by 700% in 2021. Transaction fees soared by 6,700%. So it's good that we have a lot of mining. Transaction fees are going higher, but remember, they're also doing updates on Dogecoin right now. So 1.14.4, I think it was 1.14.4 or 1.14.1, something like that. But they're doing that, and then that's going to go ahead and actually lower transaction fees and heighten the transaction speeds. So Dogecoin has a lot going on for it in the near future. So I really wouldn't be too worried about all that transaction fees and stuff. Like Dogecoin is doing fairly well, especially with the mining profitability. And also another Dogecoin technical analysis, if you want to look at it, this is also another perspective for Dogecoin, saying that we had support at 23 cents, but we broke that. So anyways, the RSI value of 40 suggests a bearish sentiment regarding the Dogecoin. So everyone's pretty bearish right now, but I don't know. I really do believe the whole crypto market is bearish. It's not just Dogecoin. So even Bitcoin, everything's going down right now. So we just got to wait and see. And then if we break that 19-cent support and head to 18 cents, that's going to inevitably lead us down to the 16-cent support. If we break the 16-cent support, then it's going to inevitably bring us down to 5 cents. Now, those are very harsh, technical analysis. Now, personally, I don't believe we'll go below 18 cents anytime soon. Now, it might be something to where we go down to 19 cents and then we end up having the rally back up to 26 cents, like they said, and then another flash crash coming. Because remember, we just had a flash crash inside of Dogecoin. Not only Dogecoin, it was inside the whole crypto market. We just now had that whole flash crash around September 8th. When that flash crash happened, we kind of started to recover a little bit, but we're trading sideways. Then another flash crash. So watch, again, we may recover to 26 and then start 26 cents and then start trading sideways and then have another flash crash. So that's quite possible. So 3 flash crashes in a row, it's pretty bad. But anyways, we had 2. So let's see if we have the third one. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, if you do like the video though, please hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also, Check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And remember, for Webull, in order to get those free stocks, you have to do $100 on your initial deposit. You have to deposit $100 initially, then you'll get your free stocks. Then you could put those stocks in the Dogecoin. Well, first you gotta wait for it to settle. You already know that. And also check out my other links for Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Also check out my Apple Music and my Spotify. And if you need beats for it, let's say a video or a song you want to do, check out my BeatStars page. I got some on there, and you'll definitely like some of those. So yeah, check out those links, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.